If you're just getting started with search-based YouTube, the chances are that you're relying solely on Adsense. But if you want to make even more money with your search-based channel, then this is going to be a great step-by-step tutorial, because we're going to not focus on Adsense and making money with Adsense, but we're going to implement this method and combine the Adsense revenue with this powerful earning method. So we all know how popular AI these days is, and everyone's heard about ChatGPT and all these AI software tools that can create images for you, that can create videos for you, that can do scripts and everything like that. AI can do it these days. So I came across this article right here, which is 17 mind-blowing AI video generators, okay? Because video creation with AI is actually really huge at the moment. So I read through this article and I saw that the whole list of AI tools here, some of them I'm familiar with, like you got Flicky, you got VDIO, you got Pictree AI and everything like that. So one of the tools that I'm familiar with is actually the InVideo.io. It's actually InVideo.ai, the new version, okay? So I'm familiar with that tool. So you can go around Google and you can search for various AI tools, and then you can actually use an AI tool called ChatGPT. And the prompt I gave ChatGPT is, give me 10 use cases for the AI video creation software InVideo AI. So I'm just going to click on to send, and ChatGPT is now going to give me this use cases on how we can potentially use this AI tool. So you can see here we got social media marketing, we got content repurposing, tutorials, and how to. So I'm just going to let that finish, and then we'll analyze what ChatGPT says, and then I'll show you how you can use this information to make money, and not rely on the AdSense revenue, but make affiliate marketing commissions doing content around these different things that ChatGPT gives us. Okay, great. So it's finished giving me all the list of 10, and you can do 20, you can do 30, whatever you want. But you can see the first one is social media marketing, create engaging video ads, promotional content, and everything like that. So that's actually a great use case for the InVideo AI software. If you don't know what it is, it's basically the software at InVideo.io, and then you can use their new AI video generator, and we'll get into it in a moment. But what you can do now is you can go onto YouTube and you can search for a search-based topic around what actually ChatGPT gave us. So we want to find video keywords or topics around video ads or promotional content. So I'm going to go to the search bar, because I always use the search bar to be able to find these search-based topics. So I'm going to write how to create promotional video ads with promotional video. Here it is right here, how to make promotional video with AI. So that's perfect. We've established that people are actively searching for this topic. So I'm going to click onto it, and that's just going to load up. And as you can see here, the search volume on this is actually pretty good. 374,000 views in 11 months, 23K in 6 months, 47K in 5 months. And you can notice here, if you follow any of my other tutorials, you'll notice that there's a small channel that actually ranked for this. So if you make a video with this exact keyword in it, by making use of the InVideo software, which I'll show you, I'm just going to push Command C and Command F, and you can see there's no one actually using this exact keyword phrase in their titles. So if you're just getting started, you will stand a chance to be able to rank for this, because this small channel with just 3,000 subscribers was actually able to rank number 3 right here. So that's a good sign, and it's getting views currently. As of right now, you can see 23 VPH, which stands for views per hour. So all you would need to do now, and his topic is how to make an AI commercial with free AI tools. Okay, great. So if you want to get the knowledge on how to actually do this with the InVideo AI software right here, this is it right here. You can get a free version to test it out. And if you need more features to make these tutorials, then you can go ahead and use the paid plan to showcase that. But you're probably going to make the money back with the AdSense revenue, plus all the affiliate marketing commissions of this exact product. So if I go back to YouTube now, you can see here, we used AI to make an epic promo video in under 10 minutes. So all you would need to do now is basically click onto this video.
Fiverr charge.
So I'm going to pause that, and this is actually from the official InVideo for Content Creators YouTube channel. So all you would need to do now is watch this tutorial and learn how to actually do this with the InVideo AI software. So you can get your free account, do the exact thing they show you in this video, and then you can upload that onto your search-based channel and get AdSense revenue plus affiliate marketing commissions of this exact product. You'll put your affiliate link in the description of your video right here. You can see, if not, try it in video, and there's the affiliate link right there. Okay, so you can do this for any AI tool. So you can go to like these articles, and then when you've done in video, you can do Synthesia, you can do Guide, you can do Flicky, you can do Veed, and the amount of videos you can create is endless. Then you come back to ChatGPT, and then you can do how to make an event promotion using AI. Then you get an example video from the YouTube search results, learn how to do it, get the free version of the tool or the paid version if you need that, create the tutorial and put your affiliate link in the description. So if you go to invideo.io/make/affiliate program, you can just type InVideo into the Google and type affiliate program. Then you basically come here and click on become an affiliate, and you'll sign up to whatever tool it is. So you can see I'm actually logged into it's hosted on Impact. So this is showing me all the ones I'm approved for. Okay. So once you get your approval for InVideo AI or whatever tool that you decided to choose, you'll go into the platform. Now, I'm not promoting any of those softwares I just showed you. Some random clicks coming in here from somewhere. But you can see here InVideo AI, and then you can basically create a link. My session expired, so I'm just going to log in again. Lots of these AI tools will be hosted on Impact, so you'll click here, you can see all the ones you're approved for. So I'm going to select InVideo, then I'm going to create a link. So I'm going to click on that, and then here's the link that I can put in my video description to get sales using this product. And this is great because InVideo AI is going to pay recurring affiliate commissions every single month as long as the customer remains a customer. Now, how you can make this even more powerful is by incorporating email marketing into your tutorials. So before you take people to the actual product page, you want to put in front of them an opt-in page, and I'll pop up on the screen an example of an opt-in page. Basically, you want to collect someone's email address, and when they enter in the email address, then they will be put onto your email list, and then they get taken to the offer. So a tool that you can use for that is like a tool called GetResponse. This is what I use, and you can see here, this is the dashboard, and just today I've collected 6 email addresses so far today. So this is for the channel you're watching right now, still a small channel, and I was able to get 6 email subscribers, which is great. Then what you can do is you can set up these autoresponders. So if you click on tools, you can come here and you can click onto autoresponders. Then you can set up an autoresponder to go out on autopilot every time you get a new email subscriber. So on this channel, I'll just have a day 1 or day 0, and then I send daily broadcast emails, okay, like an email that I write myself. So you can set up like a 30-day follow-up sequence, taking people back to the product, and you're going to make sales that way. Okay, so email marketing is very powerful, but just find lots of these AI tools because AI is trending right now. If you look on Google Trends, AI is absolutely exploding. So you want to take advantage of this trend and make as much money as possible. So if you want to learn even more about search-based YouTube and how to make more AdSense, how to make more affiliate marketing commissions, then I have a free guide for you, which you can get at the first link in the description of this video. Just enter in your email address and I'll send that guide straight to your email address. If you want to stay on YouTube and watch even more search-based content, go ahead and watch this video right here, and I'll see you in that video.